We're wrapping up on an install on this Mercedes passenger van. It's a 2023, and basically what we did to this cargo van, well, passenger van, is that we replaced the speakers that are in the front two doors and the top two tweeters that are in the dash. Still kept the OE look. As far as on the speakers that we went with some Hertz Uno's component sets. As far as the mid-bass drivers are in the front doors and the tweeters are in the dash. So not just only is it an audio upgrade, but it gives out more treble and then a little bit more mid-bass. Another thing too with these panels is that they are kind of flimsy as far as inside, so they didn't have any sort of sound deadening. So what we ended up doing, we ended up putting a little bit of sound treatment on the door panels itself. We did a section with regular 2-ply sound deadening, and then from there we added a piece of foam backing on it as well, just so that way not just only does it make the panel sturdier, but it also prevents any vibrations due to the mid-bass speaker that we put inside the door. So now when the windows are rolled up and they want to enjoy the music, now it's more enjoyable than it was before. And then another thing too that we did is that this van did not come equipped with a powered gate, which is the back door. So we added a kit, kind of OE looking. Now it is aftermarket. It is in the feature that Mercedes come with it. So right there's the button, and they can also do it from the key fob. They would unlock it 3 times off of the key fob, and it will raise up the back hatch. And then even so from here, instead of having to open from here from this hatch and pull it upwards, now they just have to press it once, and now it's a powered system. And then it also has a switch where they can close it or they can lock it. And then from there we can just press it right here on the button to close the back hatch, and there we go. Just so that way it's more of a convenience, so that we don't have to always use all your strength and lift up that pretty heavy back. But yeah, this is pretty much it on this Mercedes right here. Now we can also do powered lift gates, kind of like what we did on this one. We can do audio upgrades. We work on both import and domestic vehicles. Let us know. We're here at Jimenez Car Audio. Our address is 503 East Central Avenue in the city of Raeford. Our phone number is 910-720456. Let us know for your vehicle needs. We're here and happy to help.
Bet you can slip in the chalk and fall in the night time. Gotta get mine. Exit to the short of the boss inside with a phone. Call up my nigga, send at home. Polish in the back 10 chrome.